guys, welcome to Dance Coach. Today what we are going to be doing is that we are going to review all the 10 blasters of the Nerf gun game FPP to TPP version. So yeah, let's jump right into them.
No! Bullet left on Pancake gets the quad kill! Are you kidding me? Rainy picks up every single one!
Alright, the first blaster what we used was this. It is actually a Radium Phantoms blaster. Resembles the exact same blaster as the Nerf Reflex. So what you have to do is to prime it is that you have to just pull this part back. So you have to use your other hand to push it back, and you just shoot the trigger. And also has a dart storage up front. So the blaster has an air restrictor in the front. If you are not familiar with the air restrictor, let me tell you. When you took a normal Nerf dart or anything else, so due to some of the structure of the bullet or any of the least potential of the bullet, maybe anything else, out slowly or maybe sometimes even more faster. Let me show you of this. So let's try this. After 100 times later, finally, alright, after 100 times later I found the bullet. So what when you put this dart inside the blaster, it comes out like poop. So it is because due to the irregular structure of the bullet or anything else, those factors affect in the air restrictor. So you have to keep the normal good ones only, and this allows the blaster to shoot more further. They gave waffle head darts to these blasters, so actually they came in the pack of 2. I lost the other red one. It's kind of like a red versus blue theme, so I only have the blue. The red one was gone. I don't know where it was. Maybe when we were shooting the episode 1 it was gone. I don't know where it is still. So as I said, you just have to load the dart in and you pull this back portion, and also as I said, you can just keep dart in here. And I don't know still, is this an iron sight or either maybe a dart storage. So still I don't know what is this, but I use it mostly for the dart storage. So as I said, you have to pull it back and you pull the trigger to fire. So it shoots once at a time, load in the dart. So for this air restrictor system blasters, you have to use only the good darts. So just like this one, this is also a good dart. So you just shoot it. Damn, that was sad. So it shoots decent far. Alright, let's move on. So the second blaster what we used was this, and so it actually resembles the same exact Nerf Nanofire. In this blaster you can just load them over here, and it shoots pretty decent far. And the darts which were given with this blaster is actually even more brighter than the original Nerf dart. So as you can see, this is the dart which came with, and also it is a lot shorter than the original Nerf dart and also brighter than the original Nerf dart. So how many times do I said original Nerf dart? Maybe 7, I think so. Alright, anyways, so I'll just give you a firing demo and let's move on. So what you have to do is you have to pull this portion, I don't know what we call this priming handle back, and then you are good to fire. Just pull the trigger over here. This is a bit uncomfortable. I want to complain about this. Still, that shoots pretty decent fire. And moving on to the next blaster. So next blaster what we got is the Nerf Sidestep. Finally we moved on to Nerf. Actually it is just a reskin of the Nerf Fire Strike, but with this portion back. So it actually resembles this same kind of blaster. What you have to do is you have to pull this back and shoot it. Same like that, you have to pull this back and you have to fire the trigger. And as you heard, the sound of this when you fired was too hard. Let me just hear it, if you can hear it or not, but still this shoots pretty dang far. I really like this blaster. If you want, I will give a purchase link down below, or maybe I won't, because I don't know how to keep the purchase links so I have to search in YouTube and keep them all. Alright, let's get the crap out of here and let's do this. This 6 Nerf zombie strike darts came with this blaster. So it also got a holster, which could easily slide in, and holster you could keep it to your belt portion or any maybe even the pocket side. The holster has this clip thing, so this actually holds on to the belt portion mostly, and also if you want you could keep it to the pocket as well. So that's it. You have to pull this back and then you have to fire the trigger, and also has 2 dart storages at the front and shoots one at a time. You have to just front load this. It has a sight which corresponds with the front one. Let me just show you. Yeah, like this one. And also when you're shooting, wear this goggles, which is very important. So let's go. So it's actually a really good backup pistol, just like the Jolt, and you could use it many for if you want to get some long ranged guy. I mean, if they are at a long range, you can get this, and it's also really good and got decent firepower. Let me just show you. Right. And also another one. Okay. Oops. Oh my god. That's it for the side strike, and now let's move on. So next blaster, hammer shot. So this is a 5 round capacity drum blaster, just like the Disruptor, which is the next blaster which we used in the video. So it has 5 shots and turns whenever you it jams, I mean malfunctions a bit, because mine is a bit broken. So hammer shot is a zombie strike blaster, so it came with zombie strike that, so we have to just front load them, and right, I loaded them up. So since this doesn't work, I'm sorry about that, but it still rotates a bit and also shoots pretty decent far, and I have to just spin it all the time to make it rotate. Bad dart, I guess. Bad darts. Awesome. That's it. Next, moving on to the next one.
Alright, the next blaster what we got is probably our best. I wouldn't say best because I just think it's best. Alright. So, oops.
The next blaster is the Nerf Disruptor. It's actually really good. Decent in size, decent firing, shoots pretty dang far, just like this, but shoots even more further. Holds 6 darts. It has a drum. It has a drum in at the front. This drum holds each dart in each of this place. Holds 6 darts, as I said. It's a slide action frame blaster, just like this, and you fire this. It's pretty good. It's of Nerf Elite, and this is of Nerf Zombie Strike. So there are series in Nerf, if you guys don't know. It also has kind of like this pixel texture, if you can see or not. Yeah, you can see it has kind of like this pixel texture, and also, as I said, 6 dart loading capacity, holds at the front, resembles the exact same blaster, just like the Strong Ram and the Maverick. So this is the reskin of the Nerf Strong Ram, and Strong Ram is a reskin of the Nerf Maverick. This is even more easy to reload. You just have to put in the darts, just like that, and also it is really cheap in price if you want to buy them. But in India, if you don't know, the prices are way too high. They fly the rocket. Boom. Alright, as I said, the prices in India are way too high. If you want some like the cheaper ones, this is actually a good one, and also it is below like the 1,000. I think so. It is 999 in India. I don't know in the US or any other states, so sorry about that. As I said, you have to just front load these darts. So as I said, front loading, so it's simply easy to reload, reliable, holds for a really long time. But still, I got another disruptor which we wanted to duel but we didn't because this blaster is broken but this still fires, so I didn't buy it at a bulk. I actually bought, this is my first blaster of Nerf which I bought, but it sadly broke. You could just pop him down. So it also has a slam fire which is really good. Let me just show you. So if you are not familiar with the slam fire, you have to just pull the trigger down, I mean back, and then you have to just push this back and it automatically fires. Alright, that's it, done. And next, let's move on. So next blaster, so this is the Nerf Strife. So if you don't know what a Strife is, it is a magazine fed blaster. I'll show you. So you have this magazine which you have to just push it and also holds this in place. So you have to, so since this is battery operated, let me just show you battery tray. I'll just open it for you. Yeah, see, so this is the battery tray. It holds 4 AA batteries. To install them, you have to just keep in this. So I kept Duracell because they're mostly power good with the Duracell, and also I think so mostly these batteries are very good with this blaster in my opinion. So what you have to do is that you so there is an ref button which you have to press it, so this turns on the blaster. So you have to just push the trigger and it semi fires. So as I said, when you push this, you can just push the trigger once at a time and it shoots only one dart at a time. It's not full auto like the SMGs and the other stuff. So if you want a full auto blaster, Rapid Strike is definitely one I would recommend to buy, and also the Hyperfire is really good. So as I said, in India the prices are way too high. It's like 1,000-2,000 rupees, which is really crazy. Yeah, actually in the video I forgot to say this. So in the video we actually put Retaliator stock and also this for a Retaliator foregrips. So now to the firing demo. So you just put this in and you wait for the blaster to rev, and then you just fire this. So that's it. It shoots pretty decent far. So next blaster, moving on. So Sling Fire actually broke, which is so sad. They broke. So my Sling Fire actually broke. So most of the blasters that I own are actually broken, which is really sad for me. Alright, the next one. The next blaster what we got is this Radiant Phantom Blaster. See this one. You have to pull this portion back while holding this. So the trigger isn't over here, it is over this position. So this goes at an inverted angle. Let me just show you. We shoot it here. I shoot pretty damn far. Oh my god. I'll shoot this one more time and again. Jeez, that shoot. Next two weapons are actually the battle mode engaged version and also the normal my crazy running with this paper swords. So these two are the paper knife and this is a paper combat knife. So thanks for watching, guys. That's it. It completes all the weapons that we used in the Nerf gun game FPP to TPP version 1v1 battle. So thanks for watching, guys. Let's head to the outro. Also guys, if you want to check out any of my friends' channels, I'll just give them each of one video in the description box below. If you want to check them out, you can check them, like the Ultra Gaming of Chanakya, Ghost Phantom Gaming of Advitya, VT Vlogs of Vikram, and Sunshine 365 of Sumuk. You can check them out. I'll give them each in the description box below. So and also subscribe to my channel. Guys,
Left on Patrick
you
gets the
have
quad kill. Are you
to.
kidding me? Rainy
Oh my
picks
God.
up every single one.
Sorry. Alright. Also make sure you guys subscribe, share this video, and also like this. Make sure you guys comment what you think. It was fun interacting with you guys. And also check the description box below because we will give some purchase links or even my friends' channels. You can check them out. And that's it. If you want to check out the gun game video which we made, so these blasters, all of them were contained in this FPP TPP Nerf gun game 1v1 battle. You can check this out. And also this is a blast video that YouTube recommends, that they know you. I think they know you, but maybe they don't. So that's it. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Squad out.